Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert game moja symbol in world. So this is very easy and very simple method. Firstly click on insert. Now this symbol, last option just click on it. Now more symbols. So one screen will be open. So just type font, select this one. This just click on this drop down and select it. Now type this character code 1F000, just 1F000. Just type this character code and insert one by one this all. First to last, insert. Now close it. So this all are. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.